This is our video demonstration of the Nanospec 3000. I have a reference wafer set up underneath the stage there, and it's oxide on silicon, and it's 6,399 angstroms. And we also have a reference wafer which is bare silicon, and it's on the right hand side here. Loaded up the software, Windows 98, and you'll come up with this screen. And to start the program, we have a shortcut for Nanospec over here. We'll double click on that, and you'll see that the program opens up. It's initializing the head right now. All right, so we're going to use the number 1 program here, oxide on silicon, to do our test. Again, we'll double click on that. Okay, there's no filter involved. And here it's asking you to do a reference measurement. In order to do that, I'll hit yes. And it's going to ask us for a dark measurement, dark reference measurement. And all you need to do is move the stage. It does have a slight movement here, and I'm just going to slide it over to a dark area of the stage. Go ahead and hit OK. And now it's asking for the bare silicon measure reference, which is the other wafer here. We'll go ahead and put that underneath, and I'll go ahead and focus on it. Once it's in focus, go ahead and hit OK. Okay, so now it's asking for a reference sample ID. We'll just go ahead and put in test. Now we'll bring our reference or sample here, which is the 6399 angstrom oxide on silicon. Get that in the center. I'll go ahead and focus on that. And from here we'll go ahead and hit test, hit measure, excuse me. And as you can see, we got 6368. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and move the sample, and we'll try another test. Move to another area on the sample. So I'm going to do 10 of these measurements. Make sure it's in focus. So what I'm doing is repositioning and focusing on different spots of our reference sample. And then taking a measurement. Okay, so we did 10 measurements. You can see that the mean is 6373.8. Standard deviation is 12.26. And if you need to get out of this test, to say you want to do another type of wafer, you'll hit calibrate, and then you have all your test programs here. I just want to point out that this is sitting on an isolation, vibration isolation table. This is a house table here. We use it to help with the reliability of the measurements. You do not receive this. You'll receive only the Nanospec measurement head, microscope, and a computer. You have your light source power supply here, so that's supplying the light to this lamp in here. And then you'll receive the computer, monitor, keyboard, and the mouse. There is an extra table that comes along with it, if needed. Came along with the system when we purchased it. And you'll receive a copy of the manual. I just want to point out in the manual that the Nano J is your, it's up here, Nano J is your system administrator password. Login is username Nano J and $ super, all caps. This will allow you to get all function to all your files up here. As you can see, some of them are blacked out. So what I would need to do is go ahead and hit F3 or click on that, and we'll put in the password. I got cap locks on, so it's N-A-N-O-J. And then we'll go ahead and put $super. And hit OK. And as you can see up here, when you go to edit, you're able to edit all the functions here, like for instance, system setup. All right, the manual will explain how to give permissions to different logins and what they are, and as long as you got the system administrator super login, you'll be okay. You can set up your logins from there. All right, so that's our video demonstration of the Nanospec 3000.